Zoom, zoom, taking off, yeah, we flying. You ain't never seen nothing like it. We zoom in to Thailand, zoom, taking off, yeah, we flying. You ain't never seen nothing like it. We zoom in to Thailand, passport in my suitcase packed, ready to take off a Richie Mac. Travel OG, you already know that when you come here, you don't wanna ever go back. The food is crazy and the girls on fire, got me wildin' out when I be in Pattaya. Travel OG is here to guide you, that's true, you really gotta be a subscriber. Zoom Tribe, the heart of the channel. He the travel Kevin Samuel.
Wait. Hold up. I've been checking the analytics and y'all been cheating on me. So now I'm gonna save some of the spicy material for the end. So if you rock with me all the way to the end, and if you want to see more after that, zoom over to the Zoom to Thailand Patreon. Tiers start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Now let's get back into it.
Shout out to L, living like a king if you could not tell. You really can't hate a brother, there really ain't another. It's a new world that you can discover. Zoom Tribe, Zoom Tribe. You know that it's the Zoom Tribe. Zoom Tribe, rep that ZTT, ZTT, travel OG, ZTT, yes indeed.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna check out the new Zoom to Thailand L Boogie Richie Mac. Hey, there it is. That's the original picture. Shout out to Bill and his girl for taking that picture for us. And then from that picture to the lady that did these canvases, man. And it looks even better than the actual picture, you guys. How'd they do that, man? They made me look young and vigorous. Y'all make sure you guys come to the B52 gallery. That's who did that. They got good work. Just a few doors down from Sudhi's shop. Zoom to Thailand, Swadika. How are you?
I'm okay.
B52.
Yes.
Yeah, we're at B52, ladies and gentlemen. What an amazing job they did. They do everything, man, from Buddhas to Zoom to Thailand. You see it? You see it? What a good job. Thank you so much. The name of this place is B52?
Yes.
B52. And you know you got to take care of your face, right?
For all your finding needs, from your head down to your feet, put your mind and body at ease. Quit complaining, get your T's hanging. Facial skin, deep cleaning, we stay on and dangerous. All soaps do the most, you looking rich and famous. You want a product, put in work, get your T's hanging. Clear up the spots that go berserk, get your T's hanging. Pick up a box and put you first, get your T's hanging. Trip all the spots and watch it work, get your T's hanging. T's Hanley, your skincare product endorsed and used by the Travel OG and Big Bass. Pick up yours today. Go to teeshanley.com and order yours. Your D.
Wait a minute, wait, hold on. Where you going? Where you going with your little kimono on? Wait, hold on there, Guapo. Let me see. That's my guy, but what you doing? Hold on, let me pause this pause. Okay, you about to get dark them big old legs? Oh, she got it already set up. Look, you got the towel. All right, dude, go on, do your thing, girl.
You cannot see?
Cannot see.
I believe big eye.
I got big eye, but I didn't see this. I didn't see you put the blankets out there. When'd you do that?
You cannot see me that?
Nah, I was watching El Guapo, man. He's getting down. He's cooking over here. He cooking over here. I just seen you walk by in your little kimono dragon outfit. Oh, El about to take it off and get some. This is what you do when I'm playing golf, huh?
Today is not playing golf, but I think sun good, you know.
Yeah, the sun is good. Go on and get you some color, baby.
Good,
that vitamin D is good for you. Get some. You dig? Hey. All right. I can't show y'all. Elle about to get she about to get loose. Let me see what's going on. I ain't supposed to be recording this, but you know. I like to see the shit I ain't supposed to see. Yeah, dig. Let me see what we got going on here. Let's see. Is she gonna give us something? What kind of style is that? What you got up there? Looks like a little raccoon sitting on the top of her head. Let's see, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, shit. She don't even know that I'm looking right at her. That's what she be doing when I be out playing golf, y'all. She be on her phone, in her bikini, laying out, getting dark. You guys, what makes this interesting is that I swear to you, man, when she first started getting dark, like when I used to tell her that I think that's beautiful, she didn't really understand. Her mother would see her and be like, why are you so dark? She was like, because that's what my man likes. You understand me? We can see Elle, but we can't see that big old leg. Can I sneak the camera up a little bit, y'all? Y'all want to see something? She a little tiny little waist. Looking like a little Asian superhero. A little tiny little waist. Okay, we see you. We see you. You don't see us, but we see you. Salute to y'all, man. Leave a comment in the comment section, man. Is it wrong for me to be spying on my girl while she getting dark for me? You think this is wrong? Oh, okay, that's how she do it. She do it like the paparazzi might catch her. She might hear me talking. She can't hear me talking about, oh, there she go. Oh, that's it. All right, y'all, that's all y'all get. Wait a minute. Should I? Let me see. See, y'all, let's creep up. That's creeping and crawling, Yiggy, yes, y'all. And ooh, them big old legs.
Catching flights, name the price, I'm on that boat. We on that boat. You flew her out for the clout, we call that home. We call that home. Wesley Snipes, black, that go be glowing. That go be glowing. Big Bear, zoom to Thailand, she be blowing. She be tuning in. Soon as I get groomed in. We ain't jumping, brooming. Focus, baby, zooming. Ain't no way we booming. Off the plane, we knew me. Ain't no one for 2 men. Just come and trust me, you win. Baby, she got back, it ain't pancake flat. She all that, plus a flat. She ain't fat. She get cooked, she get clean, she get crack, neck back. She like rap, like a man, mostly black. She get move to the beat like. She love it when I speak right. Baby, give me treetop. Make me wanna beatbox. Stick 'em. Make you wanna pick 'em. She never play victim. Spot 'em. We got 'em. No problem. Massage it. My top, my bottom. I'm happy you follow. No stress, no sorrows, no cops. Just models love me. She love me. We do it all over tomorrow. Catching flights. Name the price. I'm on that boat. We on that boat. You flew her out for the clout. We call that home. Wesley Snipes, black, that go be glowing. Big Bear, zoom to Thailand, she be knowing. She be tuning in. Soon as I get groomed in. We ain't jumping, brooming. Focus, baby, zooming. Ain't no way we booming. Off the plane, we knew me. Ain't no one for 2 men. Just come and trust me, you win. Take a L anytime for the team. Take cat it of the day. Yeah, she looking real mean. I mean, she bad. I mean, she thick. I mean, she mean. She don't talk back. All she do is and clean. I left the U.S. overseas. I'm the king. Catching flights, never feelings. Ding. You ain't gotta fuss and fight. Pack your things. Don't meet me, beat me at the spot. We on the scene. Zoom tribe, all my melanated homies.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
B52, what do you specialize in? Like pictures of humans?
Special for B52, this one popular, and the Buddha.
Eclectic art, you guys, you got Buddhas here. You guys are in Thailand, man. You want to make sure to get you a piece, because it's not just one type. They got everything here. Everything. So how much for a custom piece? How much for this piece?
This one about.
What's the size?
Size 100 by 130.
100 meters? I mean,
yes,
centimeters?
Centimeters, yeah.
100 centimeters by 130, you guys. Till I come.
6,500 baht.
6,500 baht. That's roughly about $200 US?
Yeah,
about $200. It's very good quality work, you guys.
All color.
Every color.
Yeah,
they got the Black Panther. You see that? I might have to buy that one. They got Indians.
Impressionists, yeah.
Yeah. They got everything, guys. They can do real life images.
Yeah.
Do everything. I like that one too.
Yeah.
How long did it take to do Zoom to Thailand? How long?
This one?
About
3 days.
3 days. Look at that. I love it. I love it. What a great job. I'm gonna put that right in my living room. It's a canvas, you guys. Get a nice little canvas.
On canvas.
And you can do any size.
Yes.
Any size, you guys. Any size.
Up to customer. What size customer will?
Yeah, whatever size you want, they got. You guys, they did an amazing job, man. I'm really impressed. This is so good. These people are really good, you guys. They took this picture and made something really nice. I want to buy more.
Yeah.
I want to buy some new ones. I want to buy some new ones. Okay. This is great. The B52 Gallery. You guys see the number? B52 Gallery, you guys. Make sure you guys come by. Say Zoom to Thailand sent you. This is nice for your apartment. Something to take home. Now, what if somebody want to buy something, take away to America?
Yeah.
How do they?
You can roll.
You roll it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And send the post DHL or up to customer. I don't charge. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Customer pay. I don't charge.
Right. Okay. So you guys just pay the DHL fee. They don't charge anything extra on that. You can get that. You got the white tiger up in here, and you pick anything from the book. You pick from
Copy everything.
Oh wow, they make everything.
Charcoal, black and white. Yeah, we can do. And
they send you pictures. What if I want like my picture? You just take a picture and you make.
Yes.
It take 3 days for one or 3 days for two.
This one about 1 week.
Wow. What's the size? 80 by 120. It took a week, y'all. Look at the detail, man. They got the bracelet. They got my little Apple Watch. Wow. I'm gonna put that in my living room.
Yes.
Yeah. Suni want to put one in her shop, but I don't know. I want both of them. I want both. You guys see this, right? It's awesome. What else do you want these people to know? What do you want them to know about your shop? Where is your shop located?
Location, Soi Buk Khao, opposite LK,
or LK, if you guys want to get here, you're right near Suni's shop. There goes something right there. It's on Soi Buk Khao, you guys. Soi Buk Khao is the major street, right across from LK Royal Suite. You can't miss it. And you got the ganja spot right there, directly across the street. This used to be Suni's shop, yo. Y'all look at my old episodes, you'll see it's there. Suni's shop is over there now, where that black car is. Across the street from, Tops Daily, they changed it. It's not a market, they changed the market. Not staying same. Not food market. Oh, they changed. So you guys see, man, it's the Tops Daily Market, Royal Suite, ganja spot. And you got the B52 Gallery. Who did they ask for? What's your name?
My name, Tuan Chai, Mahakitikun.
Hey, say that again. Wait, I want to say that again. What's your name?
Tuan Chai.
Keep going.
Tuan Chai, Mahakitikun.
Oh, I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Tuan Chan. Okay. Thank you, Tuan Chan.
Thank you for visit my gallery.
Absolutely. Tell everybody to come. So what's your number? They can call you too. What's the number?
My number 086 150 4450.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Y'all come through, check it out. Y'all see what it is, man. Tell them Zoom to Thailand sent you. Look what I got, man. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. John, can you do me a favor? Can you say Zoom to Thailand?
Zoom to Thailand.
Hey.